Python programming. We'll explore the fundamentals of Python, its features, and understand how it stands out among other programming languages. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes readability and a clean syntax, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Let's dive into some key features of Python. First, it's an interpreted language, meaning you don't need to compile your code before running it. This leads to quicker development cycles. Python is also known for its extensive standard library, which provides a wide range of modules and packages that simplify complex tasks. Additionally, Python is dynamically typed, making it flexible and adaptable. Another noteworthy feature is its support for multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Now, how does Python differ from other programming languages? One notable aspect is its readability. Python code is designed to be clear and concise, making it easy to understand and maintain. Unlike languages that use braces or semicolons, Python relies on indentation to indicate code blocks. This makes the code visually appealing and enforces a consistent style. Let's shift our focus to the basic syntax of Python. We'll start by looking at a simple Hello World program. In this example, print is a built-in function that outputs text to the console. The parentheses hold the message we want to display. Now, let's break it down. The print statement instructs the computer to display text. The text, enclosed in double quotes, is what we want to print. This single line of code accomplishes the basic Hello World output. For better understanding, we'll create a program in Python. It's a great way to grasp fundamental concepts, such as variables, operators, and user input. Let's create the program. This print statement will displays a welcoming message to the user. Num1 and num2 prompts the user to enter the first number and second number and converts the input to a floating point number using float. Sum adds the two input numbers and stores the result in the variable sum difference. Subtracts the second number from the first and stores the result in the variable difference. This print will displays the sum of the numbers. This print will displays the difference between the numbers. And this one will displays a farewell message to the user. This program takes two numbers as input, performs addition and subtraction, and then displays the results. The use of float ensures that the input is treated as a decimal number, allowing for both integer and floating point inputs. Python, a simple and powerful programming language used by millions around the world. But did you know it's everywhere, even in your daily life? Let's explore some amazing ways Python is used in our everyday activities. First, let's talk about the apps we use daily. Python is widely used in app development, especially for creating user-friendly mobile apps and games. Popular applications, from Instagram to Spotify, rely on Python's simplicity and efficiency to enhance user experience. Ever wondered how you always know the weather in real time? Python is behind many weather apps. Using Python, developers can gather and analyze data from various sources, offering precise forecasts at your fingertips. Have you ever used a digital assistant? Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all use Python. Python powers the natural language processing algorithms that allow these assistants to understand and respond to your commands, making life easier and more organized. Python is also widely used for web development. Platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and Pinterest were built using Python. The language allows web developers to quickly create dynamic websites and ensure they run smoothly. Python's power doesn't just stop at apps and devices. It's widely used in data analysis. From finance to healthcare, Python helps experts analyze vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. It's also popular in machine learning and artificial intelligence, improving everything from stock market predictions to medical diagnostics. Python is also used for automation. Have repetitive tasks that you do every day? Python can help automate those processes, saving you time. Whether it's organizing files, sending emails, or scraping data from websites, Python can handle it all with just a few lines of code. In e-commerce, Python is used to analyze shopping behavior and personalize the shopping experience. Sites like Amazon use Python to recommend products tailored to your preferences, improving your shopping experience. This video highlights how Python shapes our everyday life. From powering popular apps like Instagram and Spotify to enabling smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, Python enhances our digital experience. It's the backbone of web development, driving platforms like YouTube and Pinterest. Python also plays a key role in home automation, data analysis, and AI, making tasks more efficient and personalized. Whether automating chores or analyzing shopping trends, Python is quietly revolutionizing the way we live and work.
The advantages of using Python are readable and clear syntax, dynamic typing, whitespace indentation, large standard library, cross-platform compatibility, object-oriented programming, interpreted language, extensive third-party libraries, community and support, platform for various applications, portability, scalability. The disadvantages of using Python are performance, global interpreter lock, GIL, memory consumption, not ideal for mobile development, limited in mobile and game development, less suitable for low-level programming, packaging and distribution challenges, limited browser support. Python is used in web development, data analysis and visualization, machine learning and artificial intelligence, scientific computing and research, automation and scripting. Now let us get started with Python itself. Python is a high-level programming language like C++, Java, or PHP. High-level languages are easier to write, read, and understand. Unlike low-level languages, high-level code must be translated by either an interpreter or a compiler. Python uses both, but it's mainly seen as an interpreted language. Most modern programs are written in high-level languages because they're portable, they can run on many types of computers with little or no change. Let's learn about comments in Python. In Python, comments are notes you add to your code to explain what it does. They're for humans to read, the computer ignores them when running the program. There are three types of comments in Python. Single-line comments start with hash. Multi-line comments use triple quotes, or great for explaining longer code. DOC strings also use triple quotes and describe what a function, class, or module does. These are often used with tools like help. Now let's talk about indentations in Python. Python uses indentation, spaces at the beginning of a line, to structure code. Unlike other languages that use symbols like braces, Python relies on spacing to group related lines. If your indentation is off, the code won't run correctly. This will cause an indentation error. Python frameworks are pre-built tools that help you build applications faster by handling common tasks. They save time and promote best practices. Here are some popular ones. Django, for robust web apps. Flask, for small apps and quick prototypes. FastAPI, for building APIs with automatic docs. Pyramid, flexible and scalable for all project sizes. Bottle and CherryPy, minimal frameworks for simple apps. Tornado, handles real-time apps.